Hi friends, Simit here from InformedTrades.com. Today's Monday, July 14th, 2014. Time for our daily Forex chart review. In these sessions each day I share the trades I'm placing and adjustments to existing positions that I put on the markets. If any of the information I'm presenting is unfamiliar to you, you want to refresh and want to add your knowledge, check out InformedTrades.com. We have a huge archive of learning material, all designed to help traders learn. Okay, let's take a look at the charts. On the screen right now, is a chart of pound yen. We'll get to that in a moment. Let's start with gold, which, as regular viewers know, gold is something I'm looking at from the long-term perspective. Basically, gold had a big breakout of the range, which I thought was a big deal. We broke out of this rectangle here, and I thought that that would pave a way potentially for a quick move back up to 1380. Now it's not seeming so much like that because we're back. A big down day today, evening star pattern now. So a big down day and back in this trading range. 200 exponential moving average is still acting as support, so I think that's a key thing to watch here. Right now that level is at 1312 or so, and the price is basically right out there. So let's see if this is a time to defend, or if the bulls can defend this level. I'm buying either way. I think gold can go much higher, so I'm happy buying. Between 1180 and 1280 would be preferred, but I'll even take between 1280 and 1380 because I think it's going to go past the highs we saw in September of 2011. Past 1920 was there. So I think it's if you're willing to hold for a few years, I think it's a good time to buy. But at least in the short term, let's see if gold can defend 1310, major support level here. A big battle coming up. That's gold. Bitcoin also down a bit today. Still have that near-term target of 680, and so long as we stay above the level here, above 600 basically, I think 680 is a reasonable target. I think the uptrend is still intact. We're also still above the 50 simple moving average. So a little down day today, but overall the trend is still intact. I still have 680 as a near-term target. Of course, with Bitcoin, a bit similar to gold here is my take. I'm holding this as a gold I have more confidence in. Bitcoin I'm viewing as a little bit like a lottery ticket. So if I wouldn't exit Bitcoin really unless I'm going to get 5-10 times returns. I can de-risk the trade before that, but I need to hold out for a really big return here. So that's Bitcoin. Now on to the trades that I have on at the moment. Aussie Swiss. This was an order that was on last week. And I've de-risked the trade, which I may have done prematurely because it's very close to my stop. Let's see, actually the stop may have gotten hit. Let me see. No, we're 15 pips away from my stop. It's in the money, but it's very close to my stop because I've de-risked the trade. So I moved my stop to my entry level, and we're very close to that. If we get a zoom into the 4-hour time frame, we'll see a little more clearly. You can see where my stop is right here. You can see we're just a bit above that. So perhaps I de-risked prematurely, but we'll see. It'll be something to learn from. We did break out above this level, so we'll see. I may re-enter if the opportunity is still valid if it hits my stop. That's Aussie Swiss. Now going to Pound Swiss. This is. I may actually lose money on this big down day today in Pound Swiss. It broke. So I don't normally like to see this type of price action when it breaks sharply through the entry point without even pausing a little bit, without showing any signs that some force pushed back. That's usually a bad sign. So I may even begin to start prematurely closing trades like this. That could be another thing to do to de-risk. But I'll wait. Let's see if this actually reverses. So far, Pound Swiss. Is out of the money, broke through, close to my stop. It is about 23 pips away from my stop at the moment, so we'll see. So that's Pound Swiss, and then two orders I placed today. One was Pound Yen, and we see swing low to swing high. We're at a 50% level. We also broke out here, Pound Yen. You see, this is a major resistance level we broke out from. It was established in March. Actually, going back further. Established in January, March, April, May, and not so much in June, a little bit in June, sort of in June, but really we're at a major level here, 173.15. The order is not yet filled. I've set an order to go long here. with my stop at 172.60 and my target profit at the highs here, 175.25. So I'm really expecting the market to reverse at 173.15. Pound yen is the only yen pair that really has a clear uptrend. It's broken out. So the other yen pairs have similar, I thought about entering a short yen position or going long dollar yen, for instance, but pound yen seems to be having the clearest trend, so I felt more comfortable going with that. That's pound yen. Also, we are consolidating at this ahead of this support level, so that also leaves me encouraged. And we may have a bullish checkmate here on the July 10th candle. That low, let's see if that low will be breached. So that's pound yen, and the other order I put on today was pound Canada. Now I have 3 pound orders on at the moment, which is generally more than I like to have on a single currency. However, in 2 of those currencies I'm going long the pound, and the other one I'm going short the pound. What I'm going short is pound Canada. I'm seeing signs of Canadian dollar strength across the board. So in this instance, I thought it would actually be good to add a short pound position to help diversify the risk and exposure to my long Canada pound positions. And I think all of these positions are technically valid. I think there's good reasons for them. So I'm comfortable with those trades. Pound Swiss is the one I'm most concerned about, like I mentioned, because it just broke right through the entry point, and is getting closer to my stop, 20 pips away. Pound Canada, here my order is set to short at 84.14, a stop 105 pips away at 85.19. My target profit is 79.90. Pound Canada can be very volatile, but again, we have this resistance level that was, not only is it a pullback, and we are sort of trending down, a pattern of lower highs in place, but really this resistance level has been established in June, established again in May. So May and June, really, there's some other actions here. In general, we've been topping here. But May and June, we have clear signs that the market is showing 84.14 as a resistance level. So that's was a major factor in putting that short order on. Okay, that's about it for my trades. Just 2 orders placed today. Have 2 trades on. I did get stopped out of my Aussie yen and pound yen positions. So that definitely was not so comfortable or not so much fun. But that's cost of doing business. As for year to date, I'm currently up 0.7%, so not the best year for me, but definitely I'm still positive, and there's still 5 months left, so we can still time to go, and if the opportunities set themselves up, I'm confident we can make the most of it. That's about it for my trading for today. Any questions you have, anything you want to add, join us at InformedTrades.com. I have the trades that I put on also documented on my blog there. Check it out, share your knowledge, ask questions. We can all learn together. Best of luck in your trading, and we'll see you tomorrow. Take care.